Welcome to my maths class. In this class, we'll solve the sums from class 10 NCERT textbook, chapter AP, exercise 5.2, question 8 and question 9. The question 8 says, an AP consists of 50 terms, of which third term is 12 and the last term is 106. Find the 29th term. So here, third term is 12. So A3 is equal to 12, third term. Now, the AP is consisting of 50 terms and the last term is 106. So it means what? A50 is 106. It consists of 50 terms and the last term is 106. Therefore, A50 is 106. Now we have to find the 29th term. So A29 we have to find out. So an is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So A3 will be equal to A plus n minus 1 means what? 3 minus 1 is 2. So A plus 2D. A3 is equal to A plus 2D. So what is A3? 12. 12 is equal to A plus 2D. Now I will write the equation. A plus 2D is equal to 12. This is the first equation. In the same way, A plus 49D. A plus 49D will be equal to 106. This is the second equation. Now we can see the coefficient of A is equal. Simply if I subtract them, A will get cancelled out. So we will subtract. So when we subtract, we have to change the signs of the lower equation. Plus becomes minus, minus, here also minus. So plus A minus A got cancelled there. So we'll get minus 47D will be equal to minus 94. Minus 94. So now I will subtract both sides with minus 47. So minus 47D by minus 47 will be equal to minus 94 by minus 47. So here it will get cancelled here and D will be equal to minus got cancelled there. If I divide it, I will get 2. The value of D is 2. Substitute the value of D in equation 1. In equation 1. So 1 is what? A plus 2D is equal to 12. So in that D is 2. So A plus 2 into 2 equal to 12. A plus 4 equal to 12. Transpose 4 to the right side. A will be equal to 12 minus 4. So A will be equal to 8. So we got the value of A as 8. D is 2, A is 8. By using the value of A and D, you have to find the 29th term. So A was 8 and D was 2. Now we have to find the 29th term. So AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So A29 will be equal to A plus 28D. So that will be equal to, what is A? 8 plus 28 into 2 is equal to 8 plus 56. That's equal to 64. Therefore, 64 is the 29th term of the AP. Now the ninth sum, if the third and the ninth terms of an AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively, which term of this AP is 0? So we have been given the third and the ninth term and we have to find out which term is 0 is which term of the AP. So what we have been given here, third term. So A3 is equal to 4. Then ninth term A9 is equal to minus 8. Now AN is equal to 0 and we need to find the value of N. We have to find which term of this AP is 0. So let AN be equal to 0. We have to find the value of N. Now AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So A3 will be equal to A plus 2D. So A3 is what? 4. 4 is equal to a plus 2d, or 2d plus a is equal to 4. In the same way, 8d plus a is equal to, because minus 8 is the ninth term, so 8d plus, wait, I wrote it little differently, sorry, a plus 2d is equal to 4. In the same way, a9 is 8 minus 8, so a plus 8d is equal to minus 8. Now the coefficients of a are equal, so now if I subtract them, a will get cancelled, so we will just subtract. I will label them as 1 and 2. Label them as 1 and 2, and we will subtract the equations. To subtract, we have to change the signs of the lower equation, minus, minus, plus. So plus a minus a cancelled there. So 2d minus 8d will get minus 6d. That's equal to, we'll get 12 plus 12. Minus 6d is equal to 12. Now I'll divide both sides with minus 6. Minus 6d by minus 6 is equal to 12 by minus 6. Here minus 6 will get cancelled there. So d will be equal to, the minus will go up, minus 12 by 6. That is, d will be equal to, 6 can divide 6 to the 12. So minus 2. The value of d is minus 2. Now substitute the value of d. Substitute the value of d in equation 1. The equation 1 was a plus 2d equal to 4. So a plus 2 into minus 2 equal to 4. So a plus 2 into minus 2 is minus 4 equal to 4. So a will be equal to 4 plus 4, that's equal to 8. A will be equal to 8. So now value of a is 8. Now by using the value of d and 8, we have to find 0 is which term of the AP. Now the value of d was minus 2 and a was 8. Now an is equal to 0. So a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 0. So value of a is 8 plus n is what? Minus 2. I mean d is minus 2. N minus 1 into minus 2 is equal to 0. So now 8 plus minus 2 into n is minus 2n, minus 2 into minus 1 is plus 2 is equal to 0. So I will open the bracket 8 plus into minus is minus 2n, plus into plus 2n 2 is equal to 0. So now I can solve it here. So I'll get minus 2n plus 10 is equal to 0. So now minus 2n is equal to minus 10. Now I'll divide both sides with minus 2. Minus 2n by minus 2 is equal to minus 10 by minus 2. So this will get cancelled here. So n will be equal to, minus got cancelled there. So 10 by 2. So n will be equal to 5. So 0 is the fifth term of the AP. Therefore 0 is the fifth term of the AP. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.